In this lesson, we'll implement an analogous color scheme and throw in a little bit of complementary colors, and we'll come up with those colors with the color picker and the swatches panel. Let's open up the color picker. We'll click on the foreground color, and let's pick another color that's close to this color. We can take the tabs right here and drag them up to get a different shade of blue, like a purplish blue, and then bring the shade of that color to where we want it and click OK. Let's bring our swatches panel out, and you'll see that we have the two new colors here, the blue and the blue purple. We can get a hard round brush, click on the color layer, and we can color that purple. Click on the color picker again over here by clicking on the foreground color, and let's go the other way with the blue. Let's go down to a light blue. We can even go towards the greenish area with a cyan blue. Click OK, and we can paint that blue in. Let's turn off the art copy layer and look at these three colors. These colors look like they are in the same family. This is an analogous color scheme. You could also add in a complementary color. A complementary color of blue is orange. A complementary color of purple is yellow. So we could get a yellow-orange color. Let's click on the foreground color again and drag our color picker down to the yellow-orange area. And then try to find a shade that you like and click OK. And then let's brush that color. Those colors look pretty cool together. That yellow goes with the blue and purple and gives it a nice contrast. So I'm going to use those colors to color in this artwork. Let me turn on my art copy layer to see what I have so far. Command S to save. This lesson will continue in the next video.